This is a story about the art of keeping a secret. The secret of a man. The man who mixed the right things in the right places. The man who achieved mastery. It all began many years ago when he had his passion for chemistry in one hand and the courage to go beyond it in the other. He mixed the two, and the result brought him to touring. In the big city, he then combined his studies with thousands of hours of hard work and the urge to be independent. What he gained was perseverance. Through his perseverance, he became successful with a grocery store. He didn't stop there. He developed a different mix instead, the mixture of entrepreneurship and curiosity. He spent his days in the back room experimenting with coffee and roasting techniques. The result? Uniqueness. Everything was going great, but great people never settle for good enough. His burning flame never went out. And that was exactly the time when his most remarkable mix came to life, the mix of all mixes, the blend. Luigi decided to play with coffee and obtained new aromas and flavors. Spoiler, he was creating the best espresso recipe, his secret recipe. Many years later, every blend he came up with during his life has now become a pleasure. The pleasure of an espresso shared by all people to take a break. Espresso, a mastership story.